Back to the another video in Python programming. So today I'm going to show you how you can write a code which is only consist of 4 lines and it can create a Fibonacci series for you. So generally the programs which are there on internet are taking lot of lines to create a Fibonacci series, right? So but I'm going to show you a efficient way which can be used to create a Fibonacci series in very shortest time, I can say, right? So how I can write the code for that one, let us see. So before that, if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe the channel and like the video if you found the content useful. Alright, so without further delay, we'll start our coding now. I will just open the Python GUI, that is the normal one which I'm using right here. Okay, so then I will create a new file here, press Ctrl N, then this is the new file, right? So I will write a code here. So first I will tell you how to write it statically. Then I will convert it to a dynamic one, right? So first element I will take it as 0, a equal to 0, then b equal to 1. So these are the two elements, that is initial elements of my Fibonacci series. Then I'm going to use a while statement here. So while less than, let us say, 10, at that moment what I want to do, I want to print b here. So print b. Then what I want to do is a and b values I want to change like this. So a b value should be assigned to a. So I will write like this: a comma b equal to b comma like a plus b. Okay. So if I write like this, then the values will be incremented and they will be added to the previous one. So like this, this will work for us. Let me save this one, Control S. Okay, so I will just give some random name here and we'll go to run and run one. Okay, so there is an error in your program. Alright, so okay, I just forgot to do this, guys. Okay. So I have not taken a variable itself here, right? So I need to mention a variable. So that is b. Okay, so now it should work. I'll just press Ctrl S and then I will again try to run it. So you can see my Fibonacci series has been created now. So 1, 1, then 1 plus 1 will be added, then it will give 2, then 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So we can see our Fibonacci series is now being generated, right? So this is somewhat static. So this is only 3 lines of code which is working, and I will just show you. If I make it 100 and I will just save this one and try to run, right? So it should give always any number of outputs, right? So it is giving right here, and if I make it 1000 also, it will give the output, right? So we should check all the possibilities here. Alright, so our code is working fine, and now I will add something to this one so that it will become a dynamic program. Like I'm taking the output condition, that is the last condition here, it is fixed. That is, if I mention 100, then it will be 100 forever. If I mention 1000, it will be 1000 forever. But if I want to change it every time, so I can do that one with the help of the user input, right? So what I will do, okay, I will just do it like this: a equal to int, so input, right? So a equal to int input, and I will write some comments here for the user. So enter the first numbers. This is the first comment which I have written. Then for this line, I will do the same thing. So integer type of input I am taking. So I will write input, and I will give another comment for the user. Enter the second number. Sorry. Okay, so enter the second number. So this is the second comment. So then I will take a variable called c here. So c equal to int. Okay, so I will just write like this: input, and then so this is the upper limit, right? So enter the upper limit for series. So I will just put a colon over here, right? So this is now like it will be taking the input from user. So I need to change here as well. So I have to mention the variable c. Then the rest of the things will be working fine, I think. So let us check. I will just save this one and try to run. Alright, so it is asking first number, so I will just give it as 1. Then second number I will give it as 2. Then upper limit is it is asking, I will just give it as 10. So you can see the first it will be starting from 2. So then 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, right? So it is taking b as the first, right? So if I run it again, if I run it from this one again, then if I start with 0, you can see 0, then second number 1, then upper limit 10. So now it will display from 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. So like this I can make this program as a dynamic one, so with the help of user input. Okay, so this is how you can modify the program. So first you write the basic one, then you can play around that one however you want. So another thing which is important is it is displaying in the vertical manner, but I don't want like that. So it should come in a horizontal manner, not this like now it is coming in a vertical fashion. So I don't want like this. Then what I can do, very simple step guys, you need to just insert a comma after the variable which we are printing. So I'm printing b here, so I have inserted a comma after b. So now let us see what will happen. So I will just run this one again. Okay, so first element take it as 0, second element 1, and upper limit as 10 as well. So now you can see the elements are being printed in the horizontal order rather than the vertical order. So this basically cancels the new line here. So if you mention a comma, then it tells the compiler that insert or append the element the next result next to the present one. So this is how easily you can create a simple program for the Fibonacci series with the help of this while statement and user inputs. I hope you got something new from this video and found it useful. Please guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, because we will be uploading these type of interesting videos with quality, so continuously. So it will make you easy Python easy for you basically, right? So thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.